Very good afternoon all of you. So as I in the earlier video I already said, PK Maths YouTube channel, we are giving integration 1 to 20 question solutions. So this is the continuation, questions already given in that particular video. Now we are explaining solutions for all the 20 questions. So each and every question solution I can give to you now. See, the first question is integral cot square x dx. We don't have integral cot square x formula, so you can write integral cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Now separate the integration, integral cosecant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. What is integral cosecant square x? Minus cot x minus integral 1 means x plus c. This is the solution for first question. Come back to the second question. What they given second question means integral 1 by root x plus a plus root x plus b dx. Integral 1 by root of x plus a plus root x plus b dx. So how to solve this question we can discuss now. Just to rationalize the denominator, integral 1 by root of x plus a plus root of x plus b into root of x minus a in minus plus root of x plus b by root of x plus a minus root of x plus b dx. After rationalizing the denominator, numerator is same, root of x plus a minus root of x plus b by a plus b into a minus b formula, root of x plus a whole square minus root of x plus b whole square dx. Square root cancel, integral root of x plus a minus root of x plus b by x plus a minus multiply inside minus x minus b dx. X cancel, denominator is nothing but 1 by a minus b, right outside. Root of x plus a, you can write x plus a whole power 1 by 2 minus root of x plus b, write x plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. Apply integration 1 by a minus b into, we know integral x power 1 by 2, integral x power 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So x plus a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Transfer numerator 2 by 3 into a minus b into x plus a whole power 3 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the solution. First to rationalize the denominator. After rationalizing the denominator x cancel, a minus b will get 1 by a minus b right outside. Root of x plus a, right, x plus a whole power 1 by 2. Integral x power 1 by 2 is nothing but x plus a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This is also same. Transfer numerator 2 by 3 into a minus b into x plus a whole power 3 by 2 minus x plus a whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the second question. Next, the third question we can move. What is the third question they are given? 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Third question, integral 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Numerator as it is we can keep, don't change. 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. 1 cancel, right, 1 by 2 outside, integral 1 by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x dx. 1 by 2 into, what is integral 1 by cos square x? Secant square x. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. Dear students, secant square x plus tan square x you can write as secant square x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 into secant square x plus secant square x is 2 secant square x minus 1 dx. Apply integration. What is integral secant square x? Tan x. 2 tan x minus integral 1 means x plus c. Multiply inside, 2 to cancel, tan x minus x by 2 plus c. Tan x minus x by 2 plus c. This is the third question solution. Come back to the fourth question. What is the fourth question they given? Integral sin power 4x dx. Dear students, the fourth question, integral sin power 4x dx. How to write this means? Integral sin square x whole square dx. See, sin power 4x, cos power 4x, tan power 4x, cot power 4x. Out of these four questions, one question is very, very important exam point of view. Sin square x you write as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Write 1 by 4 outside, integral a minus b whole square formula, a square 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x dx. That is equal to 1 by 4 integral 1 plus cos square 2x formula 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Take LCM. I will rewrite this step once again. 1 by 4 integral 1 by 4 integral 1 by 4 integral 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Take 2 LCM. 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 2 2s are 4 cos 2x dx. 2 outside, 1 by 8 into 2 plus 1 means 3. What is integral 3? 3x. What is integral cos 4x? Sin 4x by 4 minus 4 into what is integral cos 2x? Sin 2x by 2 plus c. Multiply 1 by 8 inside, 3x by 8 plus sin 4x by 4 8 are 32 plus minus 8 2s are 16. 16 in 4, 4 times cancel. Sin 2x by 4 plus c. So sin power 4x, cos power 4x, this type of questions will appear. You can write always whole square. Okay. That is the fourth question solution. Come back to the fifth question. Out of 1 to 20 question, the fifth question solution is, what is the fifth question? Tan square 3x dx. Integral tan square 3x. Integral tan square 3x dx. What is integral tan square 3x means? You can write as secant square 3x minus 1 dx. What is integral secant square 3x? Tan 3x by 3 minus integral 1 means x plus c. It's a shortcut. We don't have integral tan square theta derivative. That's why you can write secant square 3x minus 1. Integral secant square 3x is tan 3x by 3 minus what is integral 1 x plus c. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Question number 6 they are given like this. Integral 1 plus 4x plus 6x square plus 4x cube plus x power 4. I repeat. Integral 1 plus 4x plus 6x square plus 4x cube plus x power 4 dx. In first year we have a binomial theorem formula. So we know binomial theorem formula, x plus 1 whole power 4 formula, you know. 4c0 x power 4 plus 4c1 x power 4 minus 1 3, 4c2 x square plus 4c3 x cube plus 4c4 x power 4. Expand this. 4c0 means 1 x power 4, 4c1 means 4x cube, 4c2 means 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. It is nothing but 6x square, 4c3 same as 4c1, 4x cube plus 4c4 means 1 x power 4. Now you observe x power 0 is x square x power 0, x power 4 x cube x square, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4, x power 4 x cube x square, x power 1 and x power 0. X power 4 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. Power of x decreasing. 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Here x power 1, 4x. X power 0, 1. So this is the given question is nothing but 1 plus x whole power 4 dx. 1 plus x whole power 5 by 5 plus c. That is the answer. Understand? You can rewrite the given question as 1 plus x whole power 4. Come back to 7th question. Very important 7th question. Integral 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. Integral 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. Numerator you can write as sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x dx. Just you separate the terms. Sin square x by sin square x cos square x dx plus integral cos square x by sin square x cos square x dx. Sin cancel, here cos cancel. 1 by cos integral secant square x dx. 1 by sin integral cosecant square x dx. What is integral secant square x? Tan x. What is integral cosecant square x? Minus cot x plus c. Question number 8. What is the question number 8? Out of 20, the question number 8 is integral 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. Integral 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. How to solve this question? Very simple. 1 minus cos x you write as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 outside integral. 1 by cos square x is secant square x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 into what is integral secant square x by 2? Tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 dx plus c. 2 cancel. The final answer is tan x by 2 plus c. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. My dear student, this is 1 plus. If 1 plus c is there, this is the answer. Now I can rewrite integral 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 outside. 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x by 2 dx. What is integral cosecant x by 2? Minus cot x by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. 2 cancel, minus cot x by 2 plus c. So I explained here 2 questions at a time. If plus c is given, 2 cos square x by 2. Minus is given, 2 sin square x by 2. 8th one only I explained just a similar model question. 9th one. Come back to the 9th question. Integral e power log tan x. Integral e power log of tan x dx. Dear students, e power log x is x. This is the formula. So e power log tan x is integral tan x dx. We know directly integral tan x is log mod secant x plus c. Integral tan x is log mod secant x plus c. We have direct formula. Come back to 10th question. Very important integration 10th question is x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Integral x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. So how to solve this question? Very simple. Integral from the first 2 terms take x square common, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Separate the terms. X square into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. This term cancel. Integral x square is x cube by 3. Integral 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x plus c. Come back to 11th question. Integral 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 dx. Integral 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 dx. Multiply this 1 by x square minus 3 square dx. We have one formula. Integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Correct? 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So 1 by x square minus 3 square dx is equal to 1 by 2 3s are 6 into log mod x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus c. This is the 11th question. Come back to the 12th question, very important integration 1 to 20 question. 12th question is integral 1 by root of 3 minus 4x dx. 1 by root of 3 minus 4x dx. Dear students, we have one formula, integral f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. We have this formula. Denominator derivative, numerator is there, in denominator root is there, then formula 2 root f of x. If you observe this particular question, denominator derivative 3 derivative 0, minus 4x derivative minus 4, it is not there in numerator, so multiply and divide with minus 4. Minus 4 by root of 3 minus 4x dx. Now denominator derivative is there in numerator, 2 root denominator plus c. 2 in 4 2 times, so minus 1 by 2 root of 3 minus 4x plus c. Understand? So whenever formula required, I can use this formula. Just you can, while watching the video, just you can stop that particular point and you can write that particular formula. Okay. Come back to 13th question. 13th question, very important integration questions. The 13th question is like this. Integral e power x by e power x plus 1. Integral e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. Dear students, we have one formula, integral f dash x by f of x dx, log mod f of x plus c. Before we use the root formula. Now we don't have root. F dash x by f of x dx is the log mod f of x plus c. Before f dash x by root f of x dx means 2 root f of x. Now you observe this one. What is e power x integration? The differentiation e power x. 1 integration 0. So log mod e power x plus 1, direct answer. Denominator e power x, 1 derivative 0. So denominator derivative is there in numerator. So log mod denominator plus c. Come back to 14th question. Sin x by 1 plus 4 cos x dx. Sin x by 1 plus 4 cos x dx. Integral sin x by 1 plus 4 cos x dx. 1 derivative 0, 4 cos x derivative minus 4 sin x. Same formula, integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Denominator derivative observed 1 derivative 0, 4 cos x derivative minus 4 sin x. But numerator how much is there? Only sin x is there. So multiply and divide with 4. Minus 4 sin x by 1 plus 4 cos x dx. Minus 1 by 4 into log mod 1 plus 4 cos x plus c. Actual denominator derivative 1 derivative 0, 4 cos x derivative minus 4 sin x. But numerator only sin x is there. That's why I multiplied and divided with minus 4. Then denominator derivative numerator is there. Log mod denominator plus c. Next, come back to the 15th question. Very important 15th question in integration. E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Dear students, I will say one more formula. These are all formulas are there in particularly in KCET. E power f of x into f dash of x dx. E power f of x plus c. So I can rewrite the question, integral e power tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. You observe here, this tan inverse x derivative is here, no? So it is looking like e power f of x into f dash of x. So what is the answer? E power tan inverse x plus c. E power tan inverse x plus c. This is the formula. I am showing one second formula. E power f of x into f dash of x, e power f of x plus c. Tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So e power tan inverse x plus c. Come back to the 16th question, very important. Integral tan power 6x into secant square x dx. Integral tan power 6x into secant square x dx. Dear students, I will remember one more formula to you, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This derivative is here. Here whole power n is there. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now see given question. Tan x derivative secant square x, no? Tan power 6 is there. I will write f of x whole power n plus 1. 6 plus 1. 7 by 7 plus c. One step answer, my dear students. One step answer. by using this formula f of x whole power into f dash of x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In this question, tan x derivative secant square x. Tan x whole power 6 plus 1, 7 by 7 plus c. 17th question, very important 17th question in integration. 17th question in the integration. Integral 1 by x log x whole cube dx. Integral 1 by x into log x whole cube dx. This also you can write log x stands for numerator. Log x whole power minus 3 into 1 by x dx. The same formula f of x whole power into f of x f dash of x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Log x derivative 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. So how to write? Log x whole power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. That means log x whole power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. Minus 1 by 2 into log x whole square plus c. This log x whole power minus 2 turns to denominator. Log x whole square. Minus go to numerator. Minus 1 by 2 into log x whole square plus c. This is the 17th one answer. Formula is same. I am showing once again formula. F of x whole power n into f dash of x. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Question number 18. Dear students, question number 18 is very important. 20 questions. Integral x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Just before I said one more formula. Once again I am repeating. F of x by root f of f dash x by root of f of x dx. 2 root f of x plus c. Denominator derivative how much? 1 derivative 0, x square derivative minus 2x. But numerator only x is there. Multiply and divide with minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Minus 1 by 2 into denominator derivative is numerator. Denominator root is there. 2 root denominator plus c. 2 cancel. Minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. This is the 18th question. 19th one. Very important 19th question. Integration. 4x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. Integral 4x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. Dear students, it's a substitution method. X power 8 you can write x power 4 whole square dx. Let us assume x power 4t. After differentiation, 4x cube is equal to dt by dx. So you can rewrite the question. In place of 4x cube dx, you can write dt. So 1 by 1 plus t square dt. It is nothing but tan inverse t dt plus c. In place of t, you can substitute x power 4 plus c. I repeat once again. X power 8, you write x power 4 whole square. X power 4t, 4x cube is dt by dx. Cross multiply. 4x cube dx is dt. So numerator 4x cube dx is nothing but dt. 1 plus x power 4 means t square. Integral 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t plus c. In place of t, x power 4. The last question. Last question is very important. 20 questions in integration. Integral e power root x by root x. Integral e power root x by root x dx. Just before I said one formula. E for f of x into f dash of x dx. E power f of x plus c. Root x in differentiation 1 by 2 root x. So but only 1 by root x is there. Root x integral d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So multiply and divide with 2. Now this derivative is here. So 2 into e power root x plus c. 2 into e power root x plus c. These are the important questions. 20 important questions with solutions in integration chapter. So follow this video, subscribe it, press bell button, share for other students also. Press bell button for regular updates. Like this I can continue every day 20 questions in different chapters. Integration tomorrow 21 to 40 we can continue. Okay. So very important integrations solutions.